Okay, read this one.
Harry likes to walk his dog.
Very good. Harry likes to walk his dog. 2 boxes for Zahra. Can you read this?
Something
Some.
some
Sometimes.
sometimes they take a, a short walk to the mall.
Very good. Sometimes they take a short walk to the mall. 1 box for you. Can you read this one?
At
At
it at the mall, Harry likes to buy popcorn at a small stall.
Very good. At the mall, Harry likes to buy popcorn at a small stall. Okay, 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one? Kejap. Sorry. Not this one. This one.
He can see a man selling some balls.
Very good. He can see a man selling some balls. 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Harry likes to talk to the man at the stall.
Very good. Harry likes to talk to the man at the stall. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
At uh, other
Other.
at other times,
Times.
Harry and his dog likes to play ball. White
With
Jean on with Jean on the lawn.
lawn. Very good. At other times, Harry and his dog likes to play ball with Jean on the lawn. Okay, 1 box for you for this one. Can you read this one?
Yesterday they played ball together.
Very good. Yesterday, they played ball together. 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Next, can you read this one?
His dog hit the ball with it it paw to Harry.
Okay, how do we read this one?
It
Ada. It's this one.
paw
Paw.
paw.
His dog hit the ball with its paw to Harry. Okay, one box for you. Can you read this one?
Harry then kicked
Kicked.
kick the ball back.
Harry, betul. Harry then kicked the ball back. Okay, 1 box for you for this one. Can you read this one?
But the ball went over the wall.
Very good, but the ball went over the wall. 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Harry sat on the wall to look for the ball.
Harry sat on the wall to look for the ball. Good. You're going to write the rocket. Can you read this one?
Suddenly, Harry fell from the wall.
Suddenly, Harry fell from the wall. Very good. Okay, you've reached the star. You've won the race.